Loud enough? Okay, because otherwise you will get that. Let me just test how it works. Almost instantaneous. Just checking. So, those of you who are all our presentations today, yeah, this is the last one today. We did the VMware thing, let's say on the virtualization side, on the VDS side. Yeah. We spoke about the secure multi-tenancy, cloud computing, yeah, together with Cisco, with VMware, and so forth. And what I want to touch on more in detail, let's say it's high availability, continuous availability, and disaster recovery with NetApp. Yeah. Those of you who are reading the agenda, you saw that it says sleep well with NetApp solutions. Yeah. But please do not sleep here. Sleep after you invest into NetApp. Yeah. It's almost instantaneous. Yeah. Why? Who gives us the right to talk about disaster recovery, but backup, yeah, and so forth? Yeah. We are a proven leader in this market, yeah, for years already. Yeah. NetApp is a company, it's a technology innovator. Yeah. For example, Snapshot, yeah, it's available more or less everywhere. We invented the Snapshot, yeah, and still it's highly licensed. It's our intellectual property, and nobody else can do the Snapshot the way we do it. That's why nobody else is using it in the extent that our customers are using it. Yeah. In '97, somebody was smart enough to say, okay, Snapshot is really good. Every NetApp customer is using it for backup and recovery. Why don't we replicate this on the other side? Yeah? So they invented, let's say, introduced the replication of snapshots. Yeah? In 2007, deduplication. Since 2007, yeah, so this is 3 full years, every NetApp system comes with deduplication built in. So it doesn't cost anything. It's included in the price of the system. Doesn't matter if you buy our smallest solution or biggest one, you have deduplications built in there. There is no extra software, no outside appliances or whatever. It's built into every single NetApp system. There are other presentations, I think, today, and also it became really hot topic, especially in the last 6, 7 months to 1 year. Yeah, everybody starts to talk about deduplication. We have it, and our customers have it since 2007 already. So long that it became already boring for us. Of course, we had a lot of customers, especially on the disk-to-disk backup. Yeah. I don't know how many of you are still using tapes for backup. Only tapes? Do you do this backup? So it's okay. So it's disk plus tape, or disk-to-disk, and then to tape and so forth. Okay. But basically, we were the one who started to evangelize this. Yeah. Disk backup, yeah, do not use tapes, use disks and so forth, but of course our customers are still using tapes on the back end, send them remotely and so forth. Yeah. And, in terms of momentum, or where are we with the software, yeah, we are the #2 worldwide market in terms of replication software, yeah. And I think we are still the only one really growing very fast. Yeah, it's a tremendous growth. We are achieving here. Also in the region, so I cover only Eastern Europe, yeah. And in this region we are really growing crazily, especially in these types of solutions. Why? Because in Eastern Europe, more or less every country, you know, these are now, we are the new members of EU and stuff, and we are following the standards, yeah. And we were previously, let's say, a bit underinvested in terms of IT, yeah. So now it becomes a necessity to have a disaster recovery center. People are looking heavily to replication and solutions. Anyway, those of you who listened also in the morning, yeah, I said every American presentation has to have a slide with challenges, yeah, because we tell you you have a problem, you need to invest in something. Yeah. But if we take a look at what are really, let's say, the failures, yeah, or the reason for failures in data centers, yeah, there are so-called, let's say, external failures, yeah, these are these yellow ones, it should be yellow. Floods, hurricanes, yeah, the terrorist hit and so forth, yeah, external stuff. Yeah. But there are more and more, or what's really hitting the data centers is internal failures. Yeah. Mostly it's connected to power. Yeah. Your UPS is failing, or you know, cleaning lady goes into the data center, switches out the main system, yeah, plugs her vacuum cleaner in there, yeah. So the power failures. Yeah. But anyway, clinically it goes into also into a human error category. Yeah? Somebody makes a mistake, you have a new guy there that doesn't know the process, makes a mistake, it causes downtime. These are the reasons for downtime, or let's say failures, yeah? And how we can address them. It was a trick. Let's talk about first definition. Yeah? Let's go back to school, yeah? To define things, just to be on the same ground. If we talk about high availability, yeah? It really refers more or less to the hardware things. Yeah? So these internal failures due to hardware. So what we do, if you have servers, yeah, you have cluster, multiple servers, or inside the server you have double power supplies, you have double cooling systems, double everything. Yeah? It really addresses the hardware failures. And in terms of storage and NetApp, yeah, everybody does some sort of RAID. Yeah? We do RAID DB, and of course, like every other storage vendor,